Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize the canvas on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my canvas, and in the left side of the screen you can find the toolbar, and you can find different tools, for example the brush, erasers, special tools and others. You go to the last button, the canvas, at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can find the third option, the resize. Click that and you can set the different measurements and, for example, height and others to your canvas. And if you don't, just click to the OK button at the right side of the screen and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.